today we do this part. Today I'm going on the subway in South Korea. Today I did a big plan. Oops. Wrong area. I had to go to reverse. This pedal looks similar, like the clutch pedal. Now we have to take the left. We're almost there. Now I'm gonna park my car. Wait. Oops. Now we're here. Let's get out of here. That car just crashed. Now we're gonna have to go to that car. We're gonna go on a subway now. Now J stands for jump. So we're gonna go on we're going to the metro station. Alright everyone, now we're at the subway station. This looks similar like the Baltimore subway station. This is even very similar. But the subway looks similar like the Baltimore one. So the subway looks similar to the Baltimore subway. And when the announcement comes, I'm gonna listen to it. Alright, that's my announcer. That's my announcer.
The train is now approaching. Please wait behind the yellow line.
See, that train looks similar like the Baltimore subway. See?
출입문 닫습니다. 출입문 닫습니다.
Alright, so now I am on my subway in the city of South Korea. And now this is the best day ever of riding a subway. Because riding a subway is the best technique in the world. So you see, the subway is now going to arrive at the next station. See? That's my announcer coming. My announcer is here.
Please watch your step.
Now we're here. Look at the face. That looks like the Baltimore.
출입문 닫습니다. 출입문 닫습니다.
That looks similar like the Baltimore subway. See? No, those are all fake buildings. Oh, that's a fake store. All of them are fake. Because they lost all gaming tonight. I don't know if they did that. That car's the best. And now we need to check if there's any El Salvador parties in this city. Let's go back. Alright, so the same thing as the next stop. So when I hear the announcer, I have to listen to the announcer, and after I listen to it, the subway arrives. And then those are the doors, that way they prevent from people falling down.
지금 열차가
Sounds my
들어오고
subway
있습니다.
announcer. We have to hurry up.
한국 안쪽으로 한 걸음 물러서 주시기 바랍니다. The train is now approaching. Please wait behind the yellow line.
See, that looks similar like the Baltimore one.
출입문 닫습니다. 출입문 닫습니다.
See, that's what the subway does. We're gonna stay here for a very long time. This is in South Korea. Alright, so this is my station where I came from, but we're gonna stay in the subway for a long time.
이 역은 전동차와 승강장 사이가 넓으니 내리실 때 발 빠짐에 주의하시기 바랍니다. Please watch your step.
I'm not getting off here. I'm just gonna stay on the train for a very long time. You hear me? I'm gonna stay in this train for a very long time.
출입문 닫습니다.
So, my subway has a departure for what we're gonna do. So, this is the subway that we do in the city of South Korea. Well, we're gonna do is that we're gonna have to do this in South Korea. And then I came from the airport, which was very satisfying. This was an idea that I did. The train is going from that side, and I'm riding it for a very long time. See? I'm going through car to car. See? We're arriving.
무교도역입니다. 내리실 문은 왼쪽입니다. 이 역은 전동차와 승강장 사이가 넓으니 내리실 때 발 빠짐에 주의하시기 바랍니다. Please watch your step.
See? We're at the other station.
출입문 닫습니다. 출입문 닫습니다.
Now, I've got here on the first time on this train. I've been on here on this train for the first time. So this is the train that we use. That's a door right there, and those are all the doors. There's no conductor, so it's automated. See? This is how I love. And this is how I always love the train. And this is how we jump. Press J to jump. You see? And that's how we do it. In South Korea. We need to go see everything in South Korea. That what we do is the best. Oh, that's my stop. We are going to get off here.
내리실 문은 오른쪽입니다. 이 역은 전동차와 승강장 사이가 넓으니 내리실 때 발 빠짐에 주의하시기 바랍니다. Please watch your step.
We're here now. I'm gonna get off here. Bye. Bye.
출입문 닫습니다.
Bye. So, this is the best for the video. Now, we are going to drive my car back. Oh, I came from the wrong way. I mean the wrong way. I have to come from the right way. The right way, wait. Oh my god, bus. Wait. I don't want to ride that bus. I'm good, actually. Oh, my car is there. And I'm going to see everything in this city. Car parking multi. This car that we are going to do. Alright, that's the end of this video. Bye-bye, and I'll see you for the next part. Bye. Thank you, everyone. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you. Bye. I'm gonna stop the bus. I want to drive this bus. This is my favorite bus. See, I love this bus a lot. This is the best bus.
End of route guide.
So this is the bus that I love to drive. This is the bus that I always love to drive. Bye-bye. Ah! Oops. Thank you. That's all the end. Goodbye!